Okay, guys, we are here in Ajman Free Zone for this happy day. New team.
Team working.
Team working. Yoo-hoo!
Yeah. One love, guys.
Oh yeah.
Let's do it better. Team
Working.
Ready to run, ready to rumble.
Are you ready to rock, guys?
Yeah,
Yes,
we're ready
we're
to
good to
roll.
go.
Good to go.
So good morning. Good morning, everybody. I'm very happy to be here in this happy day. Thanks for inviting us. Hopefully we will spend 1 hour or a couple of hours together. Let's see what happens. So I think you can have more or less an idea of what we will do now. I was going to ask Daniel, our facilitator, to explain us something. Daniel, can you tell us something?
Yeah. Thank you.
But Daniel, sorry, I'm confused. Maybe we didn't align before. No, please tell us differently. Tell us in a different way. Like, let us understand better. Is it clear? Are you ready to do that?
Yes.
Okay, so let's do something. We will ask Daniel to facilitate slowly so that we can do something together, all together, with no language barriers, just the sound of music and vibrations that we can share. Are you okay with this?
Yes.
Can we get started?
Yes.
Yes!
Okay,
yeah.
are you ready now?
Yes.
Can everyone say djembe?
Yes.
Oh, from this side, can you all shout djembe?
Djembe.
This side, can you shout djembe?
Yes.
Very good. Djembe is from west of Africa. To play djembe, you don't need to play your drum like this. No. Just take it easy on your drum. And the most important thing when you're playing your drum, you have to smile. Okay, smile for me. Wow. Very nice smiling. Okay. On your drum, we have a lot of techniques in playing djembe. But today, we are going to learn only 2 basic techniques. We have the bass in the middle of our drum. We have the tone at the edge of the drum. So now let me see your right hand up. Wow, very good one. And the other hand on your waist like this. That's good. So now we're going to play the middle of our drum once together. Yes, left-handed. Okay, don't worry, you can use your left or you can use your right now. Okay, so now the middle of your drum once together. Okay, after 3 counts. Oh, once together after 3 counts. 1, 2, 3. That's one. Clap yourself, guys. One, okay, this is good. Okay, now left hand. Now you can use your right hand. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Oh! After 3 counts. Okay, let me see your both hand up like this. Very good. We all gonna play right, left. We're gonna alternate our hands. Right, left, 2 times. After my count. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 3 times. Oh. Okay, one more time, 2 times. Right, left. 1, 2, 3. Good one. One more time. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we're finished. Nine counts, yes, 9 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 counts all together after my count. 1, 2, 3. Okay, well, can everyone stand up?
With your hands, okay. The name of the drum is called djembe. Everybody say djembe. Djembe. Where is the djembe from?
Africa.
And which part of Africa was the first to have the djembe? Zimbabwe? You're almost there though. West Africa, Guinea, Conakry. Okay, in a corner 3 and...
No problem.
Here we are. Can we bring one more?
Yeah, there's no one. Very good. Your thumb away from your forefinger. That's a bit like an L shape. Wow, together.
And 1, 2, 3. Together. 1, 2, 3. Ayuwa. Hey, you're smiling very well. Everybody smile like this. Very good. And 1, 2, 3. Together. 1, 2, 3. Together. 1, 2, 3. Ayuwa. 1, 2, 3. Sambamba. 1, 2, 3. Sawa sawa. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2.
Okay, 9 times. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wow, that sounds so good. So if I say 1,
Together. Together. Are you smiling? Are you ready?
same time, right? So now we need different people to come and sing.
Okay. First of all, I want to thank you, Team Working, for this amazing event. Actually, it's like give us a huge positive energy, especially between our employee. And big thank for you.
It's really an interesting day. And thank you for Team Working.
Thank you.
Thank you.